So to clean up this first example, we're going to have to get rid of some parentheses. We're going to have to distribute. So that's the first thing that we're going to do. Now I do want to remind you that that 2 in front of the first parentheses isn't really a 2. It's a negative 2. We got to remember that the sign is always attached to the number. So we're going to copy the 7x down, but we're going to distribute this negative 2 across. And then over here, we'll distribute the 5. All right, so still in the clean it up step now, we're going to combine some like terms. So we've got the 7x minus 6x is x. All right, so now we're done to clean it up. But then the next step is to bring all the x's to one side, non-x's to the other. So we could go ahead and add 10x to both sides. That will get all the x's to the left. That way we have 11x minus 2 equals 20. Then to get the non-x's to the other side, we can go ahead and add 2 to both sides. That's going to get us 11x equals 22. Then if we want to try to get the x by itself, we'll divide both sides by 11, getting us x equals 2 as a final answer. And it's always a good idea to check your answers when it comes to solving equations, and it's honestly pretty easy. All you got to do is plug that 2 back in the original equation and make sure it ends up being something that's true, making sure that when you plug 2 in for all your x's, you get something like 5 equals 5 or 10 equals 10, something that's true. And as long as that's the case, you know your answer is correct.